So that's about half of the bag. I'm not gonna put it all because this is just a testing. Actually, we did this when I was in the Philippines. I think I was in either 6th grade or 7th grade back then. That's a long time ago. And we did it for our science project. So what we did is soak these mung beans and wrap it in the newspaper, but I'm not gonna do that. We wrap it in the newspaper and we put it in like some kind of glass tube where we can see the progress every day. But on this one, I'm gonna be soaking them in water for the first day, and then the second day I'm gonna put them in the strainer soaked in water, and I'm gonna put some paper towel around them too. So we'll go ahead and put the water. So I'm just using a tap water here. So that's how much I'm putting for now. That's like I believe I put 24-ounce water. That's just for now. Let's let it soak in there. Let the mango beans absorb the water. And there you have it. And I'm gonna put the cover, and we'll come back within by tonight. Okay, guys, this is the overnight. So we soaked it yesterday. I believe around 2 o'clock. So right now it is 6 o'clock in the morning, and this is what we have. Let me go closer. That's what we have right there. So this is just the first day. So we'll come back. I'm gonna transfer this with a strainer and a paper towel and let it soak for more water. I'm gonna actually wash this, take off the old water and put a new one. So we'll come back tomorrow. Okay, guys, this is day 2. Let's see what we have. Come closer. This is what we have. This is day 2. So we have 3 more days. Normally it's 5 to 7 days. So we'll see what we have. What I'm gonna do is gonna change the water again, strain them, and come back tomorrow. Day 2. Hey guys, this is day 3, and this is how it looks. Again, this is day 3. Hey guys, this is day 4. This is how it looks like. This is what we have. Again, this is day 4. As you guys can see, it's getting bigger. See all the sprouts coming out. So this might take another couple of days, because this will take normally 5 to 7 days. So this is the 4th day. So we'll be back tomorrow again. Okay guys, good morning. This is the 4th day, and this is what we have. I think we can use it already. So I'm gonna be cooking stir fry with this for dinner tonight, with pork and tofu mixed with it. So this is the 4th day, guys. Here you go, guys. Our homegrown bean sprout. I made it to stir fry. I use pork, tofu, bean sprout, and garlic, onion, fish sauce, and low sodium soy sauce, and a pepper. Let's try it. Okay guys, time to taste. Here we go, first bite. It's good. So there you have it, guys. This is the way for you guys to grow your own bean sprout at home. Normally it will take about 5 to 7 days, but for mine it took about 4 days. I was able to use them and mix them with my stir fry. I used tofu and some pork. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Much mahalo. Salamat po.